And that's right, we are back with another episode of Three Man Abroad with another coffee episode, this time round in beautiful North London, all right? And our first location, I ain't wasting any more time. I need damn coffee. I've done this 6 times, and our first location is 10 seconds down the road. So let's go. Now, I promised you, 10 seconds down the road, we're here at Lucia's Coffee House. Now, I'm someone who likes a background story, the history behind any small business, and this one's got such a great history behind it. So they've actually got a house blend called 403, which denotes the phone number that they had in Cyprus in the early 1920s. Now, there's this great Cypriot community in Wood Green, and they've decided to pay homage to that to build their own Lucia's here in Wood Green. So let's go inside and check it out. Alright, so I asked about the house blend, and this is what they recommended, a iced cappuccino. So it's what's called a Freddo cappuccino, made of course with the 403 house blends. Alright, now on top of the coffees, they've got a few snacks that you can also check out, and they've got their house blends that you can actually buy individually to make your own. Alright, now to try this for the gram. Now, it's just firstly, you always start by drinking or eating with your eyes, right? So in terms of presentation, it is next to none, all right? So let's just give this a go, see how it is. Exactly what I needed in the morning. A shot of espresso in there, just to kickstart the morning. But an amazing location, a great staff vibe as well. They're very nice, they're very polite. Normally people get a bit sticky when we film, but they're amazing. You've got some seats in the back as well. So not only this, it's a great space to hang out, and onwards to the next location.
Everyone, we're here at Caffeinates. That's how you say it, Caffeinates. Nearest station from here is Crouch Hill Station, and it's about a 13-minute walk. And why are we here? One, you know me, I'm not about history and story, I'm about vibes, aesthetics, and more vibes. So what I've got here, something very special. I've got a drink called Piccolo, named after one of my favorite Dragon Ball Z characters. So yeah, trust me to know that. So from what I know, it's kind of like a flat white, but with a bit more espresso. So for the gram, I'm gonna try it out. Looks like a little shot glass, but from what I've been told, I should not drink it like a shot, otherwise it will just completely just discombobulate me in all sorts. So
Discombobulate.
let's try this out.
That seems to be a favorite word, isn't it?
Discombobulate, yeah. The only way I can sound relatively smart. Hey, yo! Yo! Definitely don't have that like a shot. That will completely destroy you. That is strong, but I like it.
It's a good taste of it.
If you need something, have a Piccolo. Fun fact about this store, Caffeinates. This is probably like one of the only few stores that actually do the Piccolo drink. So again, you've got to come here, check it out. And before I forget, the staff here are amazing, the customer service is amazing. This place can't be unnoticed. So definitely come here, check it out. On to the next spot. Okay guys, so we was outside, we decided to come inside because it's a bit cold outside. So as soon as you come in, it's nice and warm, and you're met with this incredible like decorations, vibes, aesthetics, everything just looks so nice and relaxing. The music is groovy, and yeah, I'm just in my zone right now. I can't even lie. So again, I got a beetroot latte. I'm gonna give this a try. That's interesting.
Consensus is...
I like that actually. Yeah. It's not super strong like all the other coffees that we've had before. This one's a bit more relaxed. It gives more flavor as opposed to, you know, the strongness of the coffee to it. So this is all about vibes and flavor. So, oh yeah, and it's like, look at it. It's all pink and groovy and perfect for Instagram basically. So that's why we're here. But I can't lie. This is one of my favorite spots. Yeah? So far, this is one of my favorite spots.
It's the environment. It's the
exactly. It's the hand on heart. Customer service has been 11 out of 10. I'm not stunting. This place is just, they're so accommodating. They make sure that you're good. You like everything that you need is just there for you. Like these guys got you covered. So definitely come check out Starfish Coffee.
Alright guys, so up next, set in the heart of King's Cross. This area will be very familiar with you if you've seen our best summer motives to do in London. So if you want to kind of have that warm feeling in your heart, go and watch that video and come back here and watch this video. Anyway, so Cold Drops Yard, the main reason why we're here is the actual restaurant behind me is Caravan Restaurants. But nevertheless, they've actually got a huge space dedicated to just coffee. In fact, a lot of people tend to come here to train more about coffee, learn more about what it is and how to make it. And also they've got their very own coffee roaster. I'm very, very excited. Let's go inside and check it out. Alright guys, so I couldn't help myself, had to try out a filter coffee, alright? So the notes here say strawberry jam, peach iced tea, and molasses? What the hell is that? Oh man. But they've brewed close to 60 grams of coffee with a litre of fresh water, and I just love the whole presentation around it, which is cool, right? Almost looks like a science experiment. Let's just give this a go. Yeah, you can smell the strawberry jam.
Taste that strawberry jam.
No, it's got, as it says, it's got more sweet notes in it. So the number one taste profile I'll get is the iced tea. And then, but you can smell the jam though, which is so weird, but I love that. So Caravan Coffee, also ordered some breakfast that, there you go. So once I've done this, onwards to the next location. Got, how do you say, a flat white with the oat milk. She was asking a lot about the channel actually, funny enough.
Oh
Yeah. So in all of our coffee shops today, we haven't actually done a flat white with an oat milk. So I get why Mr. Coffee likes the flat white with the oat milk, but Coffee Jar in Camden is our final location. It is a Camden hidden gem, all right? They've been in existence, hidden gem. They've been in existence for close to 9 years now. And in all of Camden, this is one of the hot spots to hit up some nice, authentic coffee. This one cost me, I think, £3 or something like that. But honestly, for the taste, because I've just had breakfast as well. So it's a nice way to calm down the stomach with all the kind of activities going on with a nice breakfast. But honestly, an amazing flat white. Come check this place out. And it's Mo for the outro.
All right, everyone. So that was the best coffee shops in North London. As usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, smash the notification bell so you guys know when the next banger comes out. Again, comment down below. Let us know what other places you want us to go to in London, out of London, wherever. Coffees around the world will make it happen. So in typical TMA fashion, 3 man abroad out, and peace.